Olá! Our class today is about stem changing verbs. First, let's understand what are stem changing verbs. Well, remember, there are three types of infinitives, AR, ER, and IR. Infinitives are made up of two parts, the ending, AR, ER, and IR, and the stem. So this part here underlined is the stem of the verb hablar, the stem of the verb comer, and the stem of the verb vivir. Well, a stem changing verb is a verb that when conjugated in the present tense will not only change the ending, but the stem will be changed as well. The first stem changing verbs we are going to see are the ones that change the vowel E to IE. Let's see some examples. The verb pensar, to think or to plan, is a stem changing verb. So we are going to change the vowel E to IE, but only the forms that are inside this boot. That's why they are called boot verbs, okay? So the nosotros and vosotros form that are outside this boot will not change. You keep the same stem, okay? So when you conjugate pensar, you say pienso, piensas, piensa, pensamos, piensan. Other verbs like cerrar follow the same pattern. Cierro, cierra, cierra, cerramos, cierran. Empezar, comenzar, pensar, entender, querer, preferir y perder. The other change we'll see today is when you change the vowel O to UE. Let's see one example. Poder, can, is a verb that is a stem changing verb. Remember, whatever is inside the boot will be changed, not outside. The nosotros and vosotros form you don't change. So you go puedo, puedes, puede, podemos, pueden. Let's see other verbs that follow the same pattern. Dormir, to sleep. Duermo, duermes, duerme, dormimos, duermen. Volver, to return. Vuelvo, vuelves, vuelve, volvemos, vuelven. Envolver, to wrap. Envuelvo, envuelves, envuelve, envolvemos, envuelven. Almorzar, to eat lunch. Encontrar, to find. Doler, to hurt or to ache. Costar, this is a special one because you can only use in two forms. Cuesta o cuestan. Y contar. The next change we have is when you change the vowel E just to an I, okay? So verbs like pedir, to order or to ask for, are stem changing, and they change the vowel E to I. Look at the change. Remember, only inside the boot. Pido, pides. Pide, pedimos, piden. Another one is the verb servir. Sirvo, sirves. Sirve, servimos, sirven. The verb decir is also a stem changing verb, but remember the yo form is irregular. So you say digo, then you change the E to an I. Dices, dice, decimos, go back to the original vowel, dicen. The last stem changing verbs we are going to see are the ones that change the vowel U to UE. One example is the verb jugar. So when you conjugate, you're going to say juego, juegas, juega, jugamos, juegan. Well, I hope that was helpful. Make sure you review this video if necessary. Gracias!